can you imagine people could easily be buying a 3-bedroom at a 2-bedder pricing?
So the 2-bed 2-bath is under the Premier Collection. It has a kitchen here which you are able to conceal. It comes with windows for ventilation when you're doing heavy cooking. Walk in here, all your bedrooms are tucked on the side, and your master bedroom can definitely fit a king-size bed. Common bedroom fits a queen. Only thing to note is that the 2-bed 2-bath is a corner unit. So we've seen many of the newer launches these days, the 2-bed 2-bath, they're not corner units. So you won't be able to find windows in the toilet or windows in the kitchen. So in this layout type, you have windows in the kitchen and the bathroom. Another thing to note is that this comes with high ceiling as well, same as the studio unit. So this is the 2+ study, which stands at 743 square feet. You walk in, you have your kitchen here. Only thing to note is the difference between this and the previous 2-bedroom unit is that this kitchen has no windows. But of course, you do have the potential to conceal it. And similar with the other 2-bed 2-bath layout, this is a glass panel which allows for light to come through when you're in the kitchen. So the whole house will be quite brightly lit during the day. This one is a dumbbell layout as compared to the previous one, which is bedrooms all tucked on one side. This will be your dumbbell layout, both facing each other. The common bedroom will also have a Jack and Jill bathroom, which allows you to split it into 2 master bedrooms on both sides. Only difference to note is that for this common bedroom, it's slightly smaller, standing at about 9 meters square, compared to the master bedroom, which is 10.9 meters square. You have a study here, which you're able to convert into a utility room. So this will be very palatable to those who are coming from 3-room HDB, or you want to upgrade, stay in this area, and you don't need too many bedrooms, and you would like to convert this study into an additional utility room. This is one layout that many of the buyers would consider. However, there's one thing that we would like to alert you about. Given the size of 743 square feet for a 2-bed plus study, what was the size for Lentor Mansion's 3-bedroom again?
It was actually 786 square feet, and in fact all the rooms have windows, and it's really a really good layout. I think that was one of the better layouts that I've seen, and it was fully snapped up on the launch day itself. So we suspect that that could also challenge us in future when we want to sell, because the upcoming 4 plots, if they have something similar in terms of layout wise, can you imagine people could easily be buying a 3-bedroom at a 2-bedder pricing. So where does that put you in future?
So let's say that the new upcoming launches in the River Valley area, they are able to do a 3-bed 2-bath at 786. You're looking at paying about $100,000 to $120,000 more for upgrading your study into an additional bedroom. That bedroom, you will be able to, number 1, have more space. Number 2, have windows. In this layout, you do not have windows. And you are able to convert it to whatever usage that you want, and of course sell it as a 3-bed 2-bath instead of a 2+ study.
So I think that with this price, I think for all investor friends and clients, if you want to find out more about how to catch on or look at such opportunities, feel free to just scan the QR code and kickstart a chat.
There's a lot more in-depth information that we'll be happy to share with you. And within the different unit types itself in Robertson Opus, there are opportunities that we have spotted.
OCR, CCR, or be it RCR, if you pick wrong, it could potentially cost you up to 6 figures in loss. So we want to help you avoid that. So in order to find out more about what is the right type to enter in or where should we potentially invest in, scan the QR code to have a chat with us, and let's hop on a Zoom together.
We'll hear from you soon.
See you next time.